Hey, I found another gem. It's also gluten-free. If you watched a couple of videos ago, you saw that I pulled an old family recipe out. Well, from my wife's family. Well, little story behind that. For a wedding gift, everybody contributed to one of their favorite recipes, and they put it in this box and gave us the recipes. I found another one. This one is for banana oatmeal cookies. Let's give it a try. The recipe starts off with 3 bananas, mashed. I like using this potato masher for that. The next ingredient is 2 cups of oats that I toasted. 2/3 of a cup unsweetened applesauce. 2/3 of a cup. 1/2 cup chopped dates. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. I hardly ever measure this stuff. And then it calls for 2 other ingredients. Almonds, slivered. If you're going to use them, toast them up first. I'm not going to use them because I really don't care for nuts. And the other ingredient is cinnamon. Well, there's so many other good flavors than cinnamon. I mean, not that cinnamon isn't bad, but I'm going to go with 20 allspice berries and 3 cloves. But I got to grind them up first. Here we go, all ground up. And then just mix them by hand. One thing you'll notice, there's no sugar in this, no sweetener. Or is there? Well, a lot of the sweetness is coming from the bananas and from the dates. Not much from the applesauce, because we were using unsweetened. But it depends on the variety of apples. There we have it. Time to dish them out. I'm using a 1-ounce disher. This is a number 30. These go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I'm going to start checking them after 15. Hey, they're done. Now, I took them out. You saw me put them on a wire rack. And then I let them cool completely. About 20 to 30 minutes. And this is what they turned out like. They taste like a really fruity granola bar. They're delicious. Hey, I'm Chef Terry. Check out these 2 videos. Go down in the description. All the ingredients are listed down there. While you're down there, go ahead and smash these buttons. Leave me a comment. Tell me something you'd like to see. I'll see you next time.